Allow the to identify drivers, programs, and services that cause Windows to boot slowly. We must enable startup logging with Process Monitor. In this guide, we will have a look at how to create a Windows boot log and analyze the slow boot process with the Process Monitor tool. The Process Monitor System tool is typically used to monitor the activity of running processes, access to files, and the registry in real time. Process Monitor also allows you to enable logging of all processes that run at Windows Startup, get the execution time of each process, and save the log to a file for further analysis. To get started, download and extract the process monitor from the description section of this video. I have extracted the process archive file to my desktop. Run the procmon.exe as the administrator. Right-click the procmon.exe and click Run as Administrator and click Yes button. Agree to software license terms. From option menu, select Enable Boot Logging. Select Generate Thread Profiling Event and every second. Click OK button. In this mode, Process Monitor driver will capture the state of all processes every second. From File menu, save the changes. Click OK button. You can now restart your computer and wait for the desktop to appear. The Procmon driver will continue to write to the event log until the user manually starts the process monitor. This will disable the boot logging mode. To disable the boot logging mode, right-click Procmon.exe and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes button. This will disable the boot logging mode. Accept the proposal to save the collected data in the bootlog.pml file. Click Yes button and select the location where you want to save the log file.pml file and click Save. Open this bootlog.pml file by clicking File menu and click Open option. Select bootlog.pml file and click Open. In the Process Monitor, click on the header of the table and click Select Columns. Enable Duration column and click OK button. Click on the filter to create a new filter. Select Duration and More Than as a condition. Type 5 and click Add button. Click Apply and click OK button. Only those actions that took more than 5 seconds will remain in the list of processes. To analyze the boot process, you can also use Tools Process Tree, which displays all processes as a graphical tree showing when each process started, ran, and finished. You just have to analyze the list of processes you have got, match processes, services, apps, and drivers. Antivirus apps and other heavy software are most likely to appear on the list. For example, standalone updater for OneDrive started at 12:14 16 seconds and exited at 12:15 37 seconds. It took almost 1 minute for it to start. You can use the start time, end time, and calculate how long it takes to process driver or application to start. After finding out which driver or application or service causing the slow startup, enable or disable it or uninstall it. You can also get CPU, RAM, and disk usage information for processes started when Windows boot. To do this, click Tools, select the Process Activity Summary option from the Tools menu. Sort processes to find the most resource intensive process that use a lot of CPU or RAM during boot. You can use network summary to find slow network requests and processes that are downloading or sending large amount of data over the network when Windows start up. You can open the network summary from Tools and select Network Summary. That is it. Analyze all the processes that are slowing down the booting of Windows. You need to optimize the system based on the information collected. Remove update problem apps or drivers, disable some services, or change their startup type. Remove some apps from startup, so on. If you have any question, please comment below. I will do my best to answer your question. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.